Here now with Steve Scecchitano. He is the president of Aesir Logistics. He's a new member. Give us a rundown on what it is that you guys actually do.
Yeah, so we are a full-service logistics provider. We do international door-to-door shipments, everything from air, ocean, customs clearance to warehousing. We're also asset-based here in the U.S. We have 80 employees and 40 commercial vehicles, and we specifically are experts at moving HAZMAT internationally.
Perfect. And when I talked to you before, I think it's good to mention that it's not just distributors, but also suppliers. Basically, anybody that wants to ship. Isn't that right?
That's correct. Whether it's a nut and bolt or it's a 40-foot ISO tank full of any type of different gas, that's what we can move.
Perfect. And looking ahead to 2024, is there anything that these distributors and suppliers should know about that they should keep an eye out for?
Yeah, absolutely. We're expanding our domestic trucking capacity. Right now, we have over $2.5 million of new Mack trucks on order.
Awesome. Well, there you go. There's a quick update from Steve here. Thank you for coming. Appreciate the new member coming in to support GAWDA.
All right. Thank you.